So I got these running boards and I'm pretty happy with them. You know, I have a 2019 Silverado and I was having back issues. I pinched a nerve in my back, so I was having problems getting out of my truck. So I picked up these guys and I'm really happy with them. They're not priced extremely high, and installing them wasn't that bad. As you can see, these mounting points right here, they slide around, and it's pretty easy to hook up because you can see right here, my truck already had the bolt holes pre-drilled, so all I had to do is take the plugs out. So as you can see, there's 4 supports here, and I've had them on the truck for about a year. So there's one here, one there, one here, and one here. And I was pretty happy. It only took me a couple hours to put them on, and I really like the look that it gives the truck, and I'm happy with them. Like, I have no complaints with these guys, and they've been holding up nice, and the finish still looks great on them. They're dirty, but as you can see, if I wipe it right here, they're still holding up nice, and the rubber's still staying on there nice and strong, and it's not lifting. I highly recommend these.